Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Treasures of a Crafty Mind YouTube channel, and today I am excited to share with you the newest Decorate Your Life reveal. We have the newest collections, the Fall Hugs and Cocoa Mugs. We have Fall Hugs and Cocoa Mugs Ephemera Cards. We have the Besties and Cuties, as well as While Supplies Last, a free gift of new shaped sentiment stamps, and they are so cute. Oh my gosh. And then also don't forget that Decorate Your Life will also have some wonderful bows and other embellishments for your crafty creations. So check out all of the supplies. If you are looking for something, you might find it, and you probably will find it over there. So let's get into all of the new wonderful collections and kits that Decorate Your Life has for you for this fall. Okay, and here is a QR code for you to scan to take you to decorateyourlife.com. And remember, you can use Denise15 to save 15% off of your entire cart, including sales items. Okay, so don't forget Denise15. Okay. All right, let's get into the Fall Hugs and Cocoa Mugs. This is a 8.25 by 8.25 collection, 65-pound cardstocks. It is always acid and linen free. You will receive 9 designs, 2 pages of each, for a total of 18 single-sided sheets. That way you don't have to worry about what you're using. There's, it is all ready for you to go, 2 pages of each, so you have plenty of crafty fun to have with these collections. And right off of the bat, we can see the subtle and soft, warm beiges and pinks, beautiful shabby elements for the backgrounds, and a lot of beautiful images to spark your creativity. Look at these adorable pages. I love the new cuties and besties that Sandi has created for us for fall. Isn't she absolutely precious? We have a little penguin and a kitty cat. I'm a kitty girl. We have cats, so I love that. And I love the mixed media and shabby elements that Sandi has in the Decorate Your Life collection. Here are the Fall Hugs and Cocoa Mugs. And you can always fussy cut any of the images. Okay, so we get 2 pages of each. Here is a large heart, a stitched heart, and beautiful background where you can even see like some pearls and flowers. Here is this one here, and it's broken up so you can actually use this trim by itself for a fun border, or like a digital, a washi tape kind of effect. And you can even fussy cut some of these doily images in the background. I really like the pale mint color. I love green and pink. So beautiful. And for the fall, we have pumpkins and this precious raccoon and puppy. so beautiful. You can fussy cut any of the images you want in this collection besides the Besties and Cuties that you can get, or the Ephemera Cards. Oh my gosh, so cute. Spiced lattes or hot cocoa, and the wheat. Very, very pretty. Love it. And then we have this autumn and fall background here. Absolutely precious. Look at the little duckling and this super cute raccoon. And I like how fluffy and cloudy the tree looks. And then there's the stitched hearts, as well as even a plank wood background. Absolutely beautiful. And here we have some more of the cuties. Okay, and Percy's just being Percy. So we have owls and squirrels and Jenny's spirit animal, Jenny Petro at Craft Creations for Fun. Loves pandas. And how sweet, the little basket full of apples for the fall vibes, and they look so sweet and cozy with their sweaters. And here, I really love this graphic here with the pop of that spiced orange, or even a marmalade, kind of a marmalade color. They are so precious, and there's more of these fluffy, cloudy trees, and the beautiful script even in some of the backgrounds. Love, love, love that. And here we go with all of the adorable cuties. And again, you get 2 pages of each. So cute. This would be an adorable little tag flip. That's what I was thinking the first time I saw it. Okay, so now let's get into the ephemera cards. Okay, and then really quick before I forget, make sure you are following Decorate Your Life on all of the socials, and I will have the links in my description box for the collections individually as well as the full kit. You can buy any of these, the ephemera cards, the fall hugs and cocoa mugs collection, the besties and cuties. You can get them all separately, or you can get them as a bundle. All of the links will be below. And let's get into, okay, the fall hugs and cocoa mugs ephemera cards are approximately 5 3/8 inch by 3.5 inch. You will receive 13 designs for a total of 26 cards, and they are single-sided. Okay, so they make great journaling cards for writing on the back. And here we have more of these adorable girls. I love the colors. I love the mint green, the pumpkins, and there's even hints of mushrooms and pears that I noticed in the paper collection. So pretty. I love that pop of orange. And there's even sentiments that you can fussy cut, or the images out of the ephemera cards. This might be my favorite one. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. I love, love, love the shabby backgrounds. They almost look like little mixed media backgrounds to me. I mean, they do. I don't know why I said almost. They do look like mixed media to me, because Sandi has all of the elements. She's got the writing, which is the inking, and then the sweaters, the stitched elements, the buttons. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one too. Okay, this is also one of my favorites. So pretty. Love. that black. This makes it super classy. So pretty. Oh my gosh, and she's got her pie, and she's got that little cute little panda with the autumn floral arrangement and the beautiful pumpkin wreath. And oh my gosh, look at these. Again, you get 2 of each. So cute. Oh my gosh, these cuties. The kitty. And here's the puppy. Again, all of the links below for the entire design team is there as well. Make sure you are following all of them, starting with Sandi herself, Decorate Your Life. And then we have Jenny, Craft Creations for Fun, Edwina, Elegant Creations by Edwina, Junk Journal Diva, Rhonda, Mandalay Cards and More, Dahlia. And then there is Leslie, Mermaid Cove Studios, and myself, Denise, and I am Treasures of a Crafty Mind. And all of the links below are to the socials and the design team. So make sure you catch all of the inspiration. We will be crafting like crazy with these super cute papers and ephemera and fussy cuts. Love, love, love them. Okay, so here's the Besties and Cuties, which are the fussy cut companion to the fall hugs and cocoa mugs. And again, you're going to get the 8.25 by 8.25 inches, 65-pound cardstock, acid and linen free, 27 designs for 2 sheets of each. So you don't want to miss out getting these because they are adorable and you will want them. Okay. All right. Let's get into these. And here again, you're going to see all of the Besties and Cuties that were in the paper collection, and these are all here for all of your fussy cutting needs. Again, you're going to get 2 pages of each of the designs, and you can even use the borders for adding to your cards, embellishments, projects, whatever you want. There is a lot here to use, so everything is just so super cute. Look at these. Look at the little kitty. Here's the panda. Now stay cozy and enjoy the little things. Cuddle up and get cozy. We have You Make Me Smile, Be Snuggly and Warm, and You Make My Heart Happy, the little squirrel. Oh my goodness. So sweet. And here we have some great, like these could be Twinchies by themselves. These are make beautiful embellishments for your mini albums or cards. Again, you get 2 of those each. All right, now let's get into some of the other stuff here. Okay, and again, just a reminder that at Decorate Your Life, you can also find beautiful handmade satin bows in other colors as well, depending on how supplies last. You know, you never know, but here I have the white ones, and there is 3 in a package. They're a beautiful bow. I love Decorate Your Life bows. Okay, and here is the sentiments. Let's open these. Okay, and again, these are a free gift, I believe, with the bundle, and they're while supplies last. Okay, And so here we have some tags and little banner fussy cut images, and a cute little kitty cat in a chair with the pumpkins. And we have stamps. They are so pretty. I love these. Oh my gosh. There's your fall hugs and cocoa mugs. Life is better with friends. Cozy days ahead. Sweet moments. You get tags. These all make perfect little embellishments by themselves. And then here we have some more labels and tags that you can use. These are great sizes. And then you even get some cute little fussy cut images to use as well to embellish your tags. There's even a ticket. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, that panda. And then here is this last page here. Again, this is a freebie while supplies last, so run over and grab them while you can. All of the links are below for everything you see today, and you can get them in a bundle or individually. So enjoy, have fun, let's get crafty, and I can't wait to see what you all make with fall hugs and cocoa mugs. Have a awesome rest of your day, and don't forget to grab some bows when you're over there. And here again is the QR code, and use Denise15 for 15% off, including sales prices. All right, have a happy crafty day. Love you bunches. Bye for now.